harvest time. These are some of my favorites. These are bigger than cherry tomatoes, but not a full-size tomato. They call these atomic grapes. There's a nice little cluster almost ready. Really firm, tasty tomatoes. I don't know who planted these ones. They're all over the place though. Real happy with these ones. This is a nice full-size tomatoes. They call this a pink tomato. Pretty cool. These Romanescos are apparently just going to turn into a tree before they put out a head. Just tomatoes like mad. Almost time to get the good sauce in. There's the peppers doing pretty good. More of them damn things people planted. I don't know where we got those from. These ones are my favorite peppers. Not one of them. These are, I call them Mad Hatter. They come in just gobs of them, but they don't get, you know, a little bit bigger than this. They aren't a real big pepper, but man, are they delicious.